Ever wondered how one of the greatest emperors of Rome, Marcus Aurelius, managed to balance ruling an empire, leading military campaigns, and practicing deep philosophical contemplation? Discover the time management secrets of Marcus Aurelius that can transform your daily routine and productivity. Welcome to Inner Calm, where we delve deep into the wisdom of ancient philosophers and their timeless teachings. Today, we explore the life and time management strategies of Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor and Stoic philosopher, known for his incredible discipline, wisdom, and leadership. Marcus Aurelius left a legacy that still resonates today. In this video, we'll uncover how Marcus Aurelius managed his time so effectively, balancing the immense responsibilities of being an emperor with his personal pursuit of wisdom. By the end of this video, you'll gain valuable insights into how you can apply his time management techniques to your own life, enhancing your productivity and finding your inner calm. Understanding Marcus Aurelius. To understand how Marcus Aurelius managed his time, we need to first understand who he was and the immense responsibilities he held. Born in 121 AD, Marcus Aurelius became the Roman emperor in 161 AD. His reign, known as one of the last periods of the Pax Romana, was marked by relative peace and stability, but also significant challenges, including military conflicts and political strife. As he rose to power, Marcus faced the immense responsibility of ruling the vast Roman Empire. His reign began in 161 AD, marking the start of a period known as the Pax Romana, a time of relative peace and stability across the empire. However, his time as emperor was not without challenges. He faced military conflicts on the empire's borders, political intrigue, and personal tragedies, including the loss of several children. Despite these pressures, Marcus Aurelius remained dedicated to his philosophical studies. His personal writings, later compiled into the book Meditations, offer a unique insight into his inner life and his approach to time management. These writings reveal a man deeply committed to living a virtuous and disciplined life, even amidst the chaos of leadership. One of the key aspects of Marcus's time management was his ability to prioritize. He understood that his role as emperor required him to make difficult decisions and manage multiple responsibilities. Yet, he also recognized the importance of personal reflection and self-improvement. This balance between public duty and private contemplation was central to his approach. The role of Stoicism in time management. At the heart of Marcus Aurelius's time management strategies was Stoicism, a philosophy that emphasizes rationality, self-discipline, and the importance of focusing on what is within our control. For Marcus, Stoicism wasn't just an abstract philosophy. It was a practical guide to living. 1. Prioritizing the present moment. One of the central tenets of Stoicism is the importance of living in the present moment. Marcus Aurelius often reminded himself to concentrate on what was directly in front of him, rather than worrying about the past or future. This focus on the present allowed him to be fully engaged and effective in his duties. 2. Discernment and decision-making. Stoicism teaches the importance of discernment, or the ability to distinguish between what is within our control and what is not. Marcus applied this principle to his daily decisions, ensuring that he didn't waste time and energy on things beyond his influence. 3. Embracing routine and discipline. Routine and discipline were key components of Marcus's time management. By establishing consistent daily routines, he was able to maintain a sense of order and predictability, even amidst the chaos of ruling an empire. Daily routines and practices. Marcus Aurelius's day was structured to maximize his productivity and maintain his philosophical practices. Let's take a closer look at his daily routines. 1. Early morning reflections. Marcus began his day early, often before sunrise. He used this quiet time for self-reflection and planning. In his meditations, he wrote about the importance of starting each day with a clear mind and a sense of purpose. 2. Physical exercise. Physical health was important to Marcus. He believed in maintaining a strong body to support a strong mind. His morning routine included physical exercises, which helped him stay fit and prepared for the physical demands of military leadership. 3. Administrative duties. As emperor, Marcus had numerous administrative duties. He scheduled specific times for meetings, decision-making, and addressing the needs of the empire. By compartmentalizing his tasks, he ensured that he could focus on one thing at a time, reducing stress and increasing efficiency. 4. Time for study and writing. Despite his busy schedule, Marcus made time for study and writing. He believed that continual learning and self-improvement were essential for effective leadership. His meditations were often written during these quiet moments of study. 5. Engaging with advisors. Marcus valued the input of his advisors and regularly sought their counsel. He scheduled regular meetings with his advisors to discuss important matters. This collaborative approach ensured that he was well-informed and could make balanced decisions. Overcoming challenges. Managing time as an emperor wasn't without its challenges. Marcus Aurelius faced numerous obstacles, but his Stoic principles helped him navigate these difficulties. 1. Dealing with interruptions. As emperor, Marcus had to deal with constant interruptions. Whether it was urgent military matters or political disputes, his ability to remain calm and focused was crucial. He practiced the Stoic technique of negative visualization, preparing himself mentally for potential disruptions. 2. Maintaining inner calm. The pressures of leadership could easily lead to stress and anxiety. Marcus used meditation and mindfulness practices to maintain his inner calm. He often reminded himself of the transient nature of external events and the importance of inner peace. 3. Balancing personal and public life. Balancing his personal life with his public duties was another challenge. Marcus was deeply committed to his family and made time to be with them. He believed that a balanced life was essential for overall well-being. Practical tips for modern time management. Marcus Aurelius's time management strategies can be applied to our modern lives. Here are some practical tips inspired by his principles. 1. Start your day with purpose. Begin each day with a clear sense of purpose. Spend a few minutes in quiet reflection, setting your intentions and planning your tasks. 2. Focus on what you can control. Identify what is within your control and focus your energy on those things. Let go of worries about things beyond your influence. 3. Establish a routine. Create a consistent daily routine. This will help you stay organized and reduce decision fatigue. 4. Take time for self-reflection. Set aside time each day for self-reflection and journaling. This practice can help you gain clarity and maintain your focus. 5. Maintain physical health. Make physical exercise a part of your daily routine. A healthy body supports a healthy mind. 6. Seek wisdom and learning. Dedicate time to study and self-improvement. Continual learning is essential for personal and professional growth. 7. Prepare for interruptions. Mentally prepare yourself for potential disruptions. Practice mindfulness to stay calm and focused. 8. Balance work and personal life. Ensure you make time for family and personal interests. A balanced life is key to long-term well-being. The legacy of Marcus Aurelius. Marcus Aurelius's legacy as a wise and disciplined leader continues to inspire us today. His ability to manage his time effectively, despite the immense pressures of his role, offers valuable lessons for all of us. By applying his Stoic principles and time management strategies, we can lead more focused, productive, and fulfilling lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the time management strategies of Marcus Aurelius. We hope you found these insights valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Inner Calm for more wisdom from ancient philosophers and practical tips for modern living.